Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I have for you 5 tricks to get more tips on Doordash. I got them written down here. I thought I might forget, and I definitely didn't want to forget because this is very valuable information and it will maximize your earnings on Doordash. Before I get started, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. It'll help you out a lot. It'll maximize your earnings and you'll take your money to the next level. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first tip to get more tips on Doordash is to read the specific customer instructions. So you have basic instructions where it's just like either hand it to me or leave it at the door. But sometimes there are more specific instructions when things are complicated or when your customer wants to give you more information. For example, say you're taking an order to a mother's house and she wants to be handed the food, but her baby's sleeping. So she might write in the description, please don't ring the doorbell. I don't want my baby to wake up. Knock on the door and I'll come get the food from you. And that makes sense, but you might not know that if you don't read the specific instructions. And I promise you, if you wake up a mother's baby while she's trying to eat dinner, she will not give you a tip. She'll be angry and she'll probably give you a bad review. So to maximize your tips and not get bad reviews, please read the more specific instructions. It'll save you so much time and hassle, and it'll cause your customers to be happy and you'll earn more money because of it. So number 1, very important, read the more specific instructions. Number 2 is when you go to pick up the order, you will get the order, the restaurant person will hand it to you, and you have to ask, is that everything? Most of the time, somebody will hand you something, and if you don't ask if that's everything, they'll forget an item like a drink or something like that. If you ask, is this everything? They'll be sure to look at the receipt once again to make sure if they forgot something. This will save you once again time, it'll save you hassle, it'll give you good reviews, and this won't exactly maximize your tip, but it will give you more of a chance of getting a tip if you have everything your customer wanted instead of forgetting something. If you forget something, the customer won't tip you and probably won't give you a good rating as well. So always confirm if the order you've received includes everything it says it does. Once again, pretty simple tip, but something you might overlook. Number 3, always ask for more utensils, more sauces, because sometimes people get sauces in their order, but it's not enough. You want to ask for more utensils. I assure you, nobody will ever be mad at you for giving them more of something than they need rather than less of it. So if you ask for more sauce, there's a chance that the customer likes more sauce and they forgot to ask for it and you give it to them. That'll maximize both your ratings and your tips. Customer will be happy. They're more likely to give you what you want or something extra if they are happy as well. So number 3, also very important. Number 4, communicate. Communicate when something is going wrong. Communicate when something is late. Whenever you're waiting on an order yourself, there's a certain level of anxiety that's there from the uncertainty of when it'll arrive, how it'll turn out, stuff like that. So to eliminate the customer's anxiety of when the order is gonna arrive, give them little updates. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. The order is running a little bit late. I apologize. I'll be there really soon. These are small things that most people overlook, but can be very, very helpful in getting you tips, in making the customer happy, and the customer will rate you well, which will step up your ratings as well as give you tips when they are happy once again. So inform the customer of what is going on to alleviate some of that uncertainty and anxiety that they are feeling. And then finally, be kind. This one is pretty simple. Be kind when you come up to the door. Be sure to follow the rules like wearing the mask. Say, I wish you have an amazing dinner, or I hope you have an amazing dinner, amazing lunch, amazing whatever. Communicate be present with the customer. They notice that. You don't think they notice that, but they pick up on those things, and those can be the reasons where you get the good reviews and the more tips, or that can be a reason you don't get more tips. If you're not present, you're just handing it to them and running away before they even realize they've received the order in their hand. So be present in the moment. They'll cause people to be happy, and this is just a basic skill of life. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you found it informative and thought to yourself, I kind of knew this, but I might not have been practicing it, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have an amazing amount of information that you will find informative on this channel. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video.